Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we are going to draw a captivating building scenery reflected in a pair of glasses. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First, let's draw the outline of the glasses. Start by sketching two large symmetrical circles or ovals side by side for the lenses. Connect these with a small bridge in the middle. Add the arms of the glasses extending from the sides. Next, within each lens, we will draw the reflection of the buildings. Begin by sketching the horizontal line near the bottom of each lens. This will separate the sky from the buildings. Now, start drawing the buildings. Focus on creating a variety of shapes and sizes to give the scene a realistic cityscape look. Use straight vertical and horizontal line to represent the buildings. Add details like windows and rooftops to enhance the realism. To give the reflection more depth, add some smaller buildings and structures in the background. You can also draw some trees or street elements if you like. Within the sky portion of the lenses, add some clouds by drawing fluffy curved shapes. You can also include the sun or some birds to make the scene more lively. Next, shade the buildings and the sky within the lenses to create a realistic reflection effect. Pay attention to light and shadow to give your drawing a three-dimensional appearance. For the final touches, add any necessary details to the glasses frame such as screws or patterns on the arms. You can also shade the frame to give it a more realistic look. And there you have it, a stunning building scenery reflected in glasses. Don't forget to sign your artwork. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Artistic Adventures by Rosie for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.